Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting. Thank you so much for your inspiring comments. There you can see a question from JEE Main based on trigonometry. Let the set of all A belongs to real numbers such that the equation cos 2x plus A sin x equals to 2A minus 7 as a solution in the interval PQ and R equals to 10 9 degree minus 10 27 degree minus 1 over cos 63 degree plus 10 81 degree. Value of P, Q, R, the product. So first let us find the value of A from this equation so that we can get the value of P and Q. Cos twice x plus A sin x equals to 2A minus 7. Cos 2x, we will put the substitution formula for sin x, so it will be 1 minus 2 sin square x A sin x. Next I am shifting all the terms to left hand side. 2A plus 7 equals to 0 minus 2 sin square x A sin x minus twice A plus 8 equals to 0. So next I am putting the 4 terms into 2. One is A sin x minus twice A minus 2, taking common it will be sin square x minus 4 equals to 0. And from first 2 terms I am taking A common so that I am getting sin x minus 2. And from second 2 terms I am factorizing as sin x plus 2 sin x minus 2 equals to 0. From both of the terms I can take sin x minus 2 common. So it will be A minus sin x plus 2 to 0. One factor is sin x minus 2 is 0. Sin x is not equals to 2. We know it's not possible, or it is not giving the value of A. So we'll go for the other factor. So A equals to 2 into sin x plus 2, or 2 sin x equals to A minus 4, or sin x equals to A minus 4 over 2. You know that sin x, the interval is always -1 to +1. So A minus 4 over 2 is greater than equals to -1 less than equals to +1. This gives us A minus 4 is greater than equals to -2 and less than equals to 2, or A equals to, here between greater than equals to 2 and less than equal to 6. And it is given that A belongs to PQ, closed interval, means P is 2 and Q is 6. So after getting PQ, now we'll go for R. You can see that for one question there are so many concepts related. R equals to 10 9 degree or minus 10 27 degree. That's 1 over cot 63 degree plus tan 81 degree. Tan 81 degree is cot 9 degree. So R equals to tan 9 degree is cot 9 degree, and tan 27 degree, here this will be tan 63 degree. This is same as your cot 27 degree. So R equals to sin 9 degree over cos 9 degree is cos 9 degree over sin 9 degree. Taking minus common here, the sin 27 degree by cos 27 degree plus 27 degree over sin 27 degree. So on further simplification, R equals to your 1 over cos 9 degree sin 9 degree minus 1 over cos 27 degree into sin 27 degree. Multiplying with 2, both numerator and denominator, I get here sin 18 degree minus 2, this will be sin 54 degree. So sin 18 degree is to square root 5 minus 1 by 4, and sin 54 degree equals to square root 5 plus 1 by 4. We'll put this value here, you have to remember. So R equals to 2, taking common, 4 over 5 minus 1 minus 4 over 5 plus 1 is equal to 8 into root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 plus 1 over root 5 square is 5 minus 1. So this will be 16 by 4. This answer is 4. So P was 2, Q was 6, and R is 4. So the product of P into Q and R equals to 2 multiply 6 multiply 4 equals to 48. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please give a comment if you liked it.